Hi everyone again. So let's start our project. And as you can see, these are the stuff I'm gonna use. So I'm showing you here three different sizes of the pearl I'm gonna use. I have like a small size, medium size, and large size. I don't know exactly the each side of each pearl, but you use whatever you want. But I have that. I guess it's like a 3, 4, and 5 mil. I guess I don't know, but anyway, use whatever you like, but different sizes. And as you can see, I have a fish line or like a fish thread. This plastic, really fine one, not the harsh one. It's really fine, so it makes the color flexible and strong at the same time. And I'm gonna use two different needles for each size. So as you can see, I have two here. I'm gonna use for each size. That will make it so easy for me to like thread the fish line inside the pearl. And of course we're gonna need pliers. I have two different like sizes or shapes, and a part of like a chain, a locker, and two jump rings, as you can see, for each side of our collar. And these are the stuff I'm gonna use. And of course I'm gonna need scissor, and I'm gonna need lighter to secure the fish line. And this is what we're gonna use, so let's get started.